Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. This reading is to find out what tarot cards message is regarding Kamala Harris, Joe Biden, Donald Trump and Mike Pence. So I will start. I had already shuffled the cards. These are the cards in front of you. I don't know which card is where. Okay, here again I'll mix up the cards. Now I had kept them in front of you. So let's check for what are the messages they want to give. My first question is whether Joe Biden will prove to be the best president of United States of America. Not at all. Knight of Swords card. Not at all. He will bring more wars. Okay. Will Kamala Harris prove to be the best vice president for United States of America? Well, when it comes to foreign relations, foreign policy, she might be okay, average, but this card does not suggest that she will be the best. Okay. At present, is Joe Biden is the best choice to become the president of United States of America in comparison to Donald Trump? No, not at all. In comparison to Mike Pence, is Kamala Harris the best choice to become the Vice President of United States of America? No, again, not at all. They require someone experience holder, someone who can show the light, guide, someone specialist. At least Kamala Harris and Joe Biden. That's what the message cards are giving. They are not the best people for the job right now. Now, the way Donald Trump has handled the presidency till now, is he the best person for the job for the next 4 years? As United States of America, President of United States of America? Death card. Death card means new beginning. So, a kind of a new start. After sweeping changes, new birth. So, yes. Will he prove, Donald Trump, will he prove to be the best president of America in present situation in next 4 years? If not best, he will certainly manage to balance the economy. That's what the message I am getting. The economy, which is stuttering right now, in full of ups and downs, he would be able to balance it well with some quick foreign financial measures and of course foreign policy measures. Now, Mike Pence, is he going to be the best vice president of United States of America in present situation? Yes, this card clearly suggests that person is taking his family towards safety. Yes. So, Mike Pence, is he going to will he prove to be the best vice president of United States of America in the next 4 years? Again, Hierophant card. That's good card. So, overall message here, looking at these cards, is Trump and Pence looks best, and Biden and Kamala Harris not so. See, I am an Indian. I am from India. I don't have any biases towards either of them, because even the policies, some of the policies of Donald Trump has proved problematic for Indians. So, but here I am saying whatever I can see in the cards. So no biases. I am saying just what the cards are saying. And cards are saying that Donald Trump is the best choice at present, in the present circumstances, and in next 4 years. That's it for now. I request people, if you like the reading, please do subscribe, because whenever you subscribe after watching the video, it motivates me to do well and make more good content, more good videos. So please do not forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you.